Research from the American Psychological Association shows that willpower is highest in the first 2 hours after waking. 73% of Fortune 500 CEOs complete their most important task before 9 a.m. Forget alarm clocks. The wake-up trigger system uses light exposure and temperature shifts to naturally bring you to full alertness in under 5 minutes. Place a smart light on a 15-minute sunrise cycle and keep your room at 65 degrees Fahrenheit overnight. Your first 90 minutes are sacred. No e-mail, no Slack, no notifications. Pick your single most important task the night before and attack it first thing. This one habit alone will outperform any other productivity trick. After your deep work block, spend 10 minutes reviewing your daily plan. Adjust priorities based on what you accomplished. This feedback loop compounds over weeks into massive clarity about what actually moves the needle. Screen demo showing how to set up an automated morning dashboard in Notion that surfaces your top 3 priorities, calendar events, and habit tracker for the day. Download my free morning routine template in the description. If this changed how you think about mornings, hit subscribe. I drop 2 videos a week on systems that actually work.